Hello my SMA artist student. Halo murid Mister yang pinter-pinter. How are you today? Apa kabarnya hari ini? I hope you are fine. Mister harap semua baik-baik saja ya. Okay, now for our activity today, our lesson today, untuk aktivitas atau pelajaran kita hari ini, grade second grader kelas 2. Okay, we want to finish our lesson 4. Kita mau selesaikan lesson 4 kita. Okay. Okay. Now prepare your book. Prepare your notebook. Now my clothes is missing. Baju Mister hilang nih. Okay, no problem. Now we love English 2 lesson 4. In this time, right now, I want to teach you several questions about simple continuous tense. Okay, about our lesson in lesson 4. Mister mau kasih tunjuk contoh-contoh soal yang ada di lesson 4. Okay. Now let me put down my picture. Is it possible? Okay, it's possible. Okay, so supaya bisa nggak ganggu nih. Okay. Now prepare your book, your notebook. Siapkan buku catatannya. And this one for the one that to be, ya, 2B ya. Some of you because of what happened in this morning, okay, karena ada sesuatu terjadi pagi hari ini, you are so slow, okay, kalian jadi lambat sekali doing the task, mengerjakan tugasnya. So some of you not finish, okay, beberapa dari kalian nggak selesai. Nah this time you can follow and finish the task. Jadi ini ada soal-soal, kalian bisa ikuti sekarang. Untuk yang tadi in the class yang playing, main-main, that make you so late, okay, yang buat kalian sangat terlambat doing the task, mengerjakan soal sehingga tidak bisa dikumpul. Okay, for the one that already submitted to me, yang sudah kumpul ke Mister, thank you. Okay, I will check it, nanti Mister periksa. For the one that not finished, yang belum selesai, please follow, do it, ikuti dan kerjakan. Send it to this classroom. Kirimkan di classroom ini. Okay. Now, what is the task? Tugasnya apa sih, Mister? Now we have 10 questions, but I will explain from number 1 to number 5. Okay. Kita ada 10 pertanyaan, tapi Mister akan jelaskan dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 5. I'll give it as examples. Mister berikan sebagai contoh. Okay. Number 1 until number 5 is examples. Some of examples that I want to give it to you. The problem is when I record it, ketika Mister rekam, the animation is not working. Seharusnya ini ada animasinya, jadi satu-satu yang muncul. But when in the Zoom kayaknya nggak bisa ya, ini langsung ya. Okay, let me explain. So there was a questions, nanti ada pertanyaan like this, seperti ini. Raisya blank blank blank, ini kan kosong harusnya ya. Raisya blank 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 a bike. Nah, in the end, you have a verb. Di terakhir ada kata kerja ride, mengendarai. Okay, ride, mengendarai. Nah, you need to complete this sentence. Kalian harus melengkapi kalimat ini by filling the blank, dengan mengisi yang kosong. Okay, ini harusnya kosong ya. Ini harusnya animasinya jalan, cuma nggak jalan. Okay, Raisya is a girl. Raisya itu perempuan and one person, dan satu orang. Now what is it to be? Apa to be-nya? Apa pasangannya ataupun kata penghubungnya lah misalnya. Yang Mister sudah ajarkan minggu lalu. Is ya. Raisya is. Nah, right you change become verb ing. Ganti dengan jadi ing. Raisya is riding a bike. Very good. Okay. Raisya is riding a bike. Now next number 2. You blank 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 a bus. You blank 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 a bus. Now the word is drive. Drive ini harus kalian ganti jadi ing. Now you, the to be is are. You itu pasangannya are. Okay, don't forget. Jadi kamu tulis are. Drive you change become ing. Driving. Okay, drive diubah jadi verb ing. Kata kerja yang ada ingnya. Jadi, you are driving a bus. Nah ya, paham ya? I, pasangannya apa? am. Okay, I am. Nah, di sini verbnya, kata kerjanya ada fly. Ubah jadi verb ing. I am flying a kite. Okay. Nah, he blank 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 a motorbike. Ride, we have a ride. Okay, the word or the verb is ride. The word atau the verbnya, kata kerjanya ada ride. Now change the ride become ing. Ganti ride jadi ing. He, the to be-nya adalah is. Good. So you combine, jadi gabungkan jadi he is riding a motorbike. Very good. Now we, what is the to be? Apa to be-nya? Are. Drive berubah jadi verb ing. Driving. Nah, lengkapnya we are driving a lorry. Good. Now, look at Patrick. Nah, sekarang Patrick one person, satu orang. What is the to be? Apa to be-nya? Taruh ya, tulis. Sleep, change become ing, ganti jadi ing. Right, tulis di sini. Okay? Now, I give you time, saya kasih waktu. Stop this video, berhentikan video ini to write the answer, untuk mengerjakan soal ini. Okay? I think this one up. Okay, up here. Okay. Now, number 10 is play. Okay? Evan and Kemal. Mr. Carroll blank 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 in the class. She blank 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 in the ocean. Look the verb behind. Lihat kata kerja yang di belakang. Okay. Pause this video. Berhentikan video ini. Do the task. Kerjakan tugasnya. Okay. Nah, next we have listening. Kita ada listening. Okay. We have listening. Kita ada listening. You will listen from the audio. Kamu akan dengar dari audio. Okay. And draw a line. Gambar garisnya. Okay. Gambar garisnya. Example number 1. He is flying a kite. Nah, mana bayangannya? Oh, ini dia, Mister. Gambar garisnya. Okay. Okay. Now listen carefully. Dengar baik-baik ya. This is the audio. Ini audionya.
10. Listen and draw lines. 1.
He's flying a kite.
2.
She's riding a bike.
3.
They're wearing hats.
4.
They're playing guitars.
5.
She's kicking a ball.
6.
He's flying a plane.
7.
She's driving a bus.
Nah, next. Berikutnya, after you finish, don't forget for the first one, this one you take a picture. This one you take a picture. Ini ambil gambarnya, send to the classroom. Kirim ke classroom ya, di foto, kirim ke classroom. Nah, this one too, yang ini, take a pictures, ambil gambarnya, fotonya, dan kirim ke classroom juga. Okay? Next, we learn about C and K word. Now listen, this is phonic. Ini phonic ya. So you need to remember, we are talking about the sound. Kita bicara tentang bunyinya. Okay? We are talking about the sound. The sound. Kita bicara tentang bunyinya. Okay, look here. Okay, follow me. Thick. Sock. Pink. Okay. Now, this time you will listen and say the word. Kali ini kamu dengar dan ikuti cara pengucapannya. Listen, dengar.
12. Listen and say the words. Trace the letter K or CK.
Tick. Sock. pink. Tick. Sock. Pink.
Okay, next, the last task, tugas terakhir. Now, read and take the k or k words. Baca dulu, baca. Oh, ini kayaknya menghalangi gambar kepala Mister nih. Oke, nih. Mana nih? Oke, di atas dia. Read, baca, and put a tick, taruh tanda centang for the word, untuk kata-kata that have the sound k, yang ada bunyi k-nya. Yang ada bunyi k. Oke. Mister, why is number 1 big? Kenapa number 1 big? Nah, like I mentioned, seperti yang Mister bilang tadi, you need to read to find the sound. Kalian harus baca dulu supaya tahu bunyinya. Contohnya nih, Mister baca ya. Big, snake, happy. Big, snake, happy. Which one that have the sound k? Yang mana ada bunyi k-nya? Iya, yang ada bunyi k-nya itu big. Lihat ya, bisa baca. Big. Big. Kalau snake, biarpun ada huruf k, but the sound, there's no sound k. Tapi tidak ada bunyi k-nya. Contohnya, snake. Snake. Happy. Nah, ya. Jadi kalian harus tahu bunyinya. Nah, number 2. Apple, cake, and me. Yang mana ada bunyi k-nya? Taruh tanda centang. Number 3. Chips, brown, desk. Yang mana ada bunyi k-nya? Tandai. 4. R, kite, how. R, kite, how. Yang mana ada bunyi k-nya? Put a tick, taruh tanda centangnya. Okay. Number 5. Bag, jacket, robot. Repeat again. Bag, jacket, robot. Yang mana bunyi k-nya? Tandai. Put a tick, taruh tanda centang. Okay, that's all for today. So you will have 3 tasks. The questions. Ada 3 soal. 2 questions. Soal yang tadi. You take a picture, send it, kirim. The listening and draw lines. Mendengarkan dan gambar garis. Take a picture, ambil gambarnya dan kirim. And this one, dan ini. Okay, ini take a picture and send it. Kirim ke Mister kalau sudah selesai. Don't forget to trace the letter. Jangan lupa ini ditebali huruf C sama K-nya. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today. See you in the next meeting. Sampai ketemu di pertemuan berikutnya. Bye-bye.